Hey there! Today I want to share my personal journey of building a successful online business through affiliate marketing. I started this incredible venture at the age of 54, and I'm here to show you that age is not a barrier to creating a thriving online business. So grab a seat and get ready to discover the power of affiliate marketing. 6 years ago, at 54, I took a leap of faith and ventured into the world of affiliate marketing. With no prior experience, I knew I had a lot to learn. But I was determined to build a successful online business and prove that age is just a number. I immersed myself in research, online courses, and sought guidance from industry experts to lay a strong foundation for my journey. Building a solid foundation was crucial to my success. I focused on understanding the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, including selecting the right niche, creating a professional website, and establishing a strong online presence. I invested time and effort in crafting engaging content that resonates with my target audience, and I made sure to optimize my website for search engine. Finding the right affiliate partners was a game changer of my online business. I carefully researched and selected reputable companies with high-quality products or services that aligned with my niche and by partnering with trusted brands, I could confidently promote their offerings, knowing they would provide value to my audience. Content truly is king in the world of affiliate marketing. I focus on creating valuable content that solve problems, answer questions, and provide insights to my audience. Whether it was through blog posts, videos, or social media content, I strive to offer genuine value and build a loyal following who trust my recommendation. Growing an engaged audience was key to my online business success. I utilized various strategies, including social media marketing, email marketing, and networking with other influencers in my niche. By consistently engaging with my audience, listening to their feedback, and providing solutions, I was able to foster a genuine connection and establish trust. As my online business began to gain traction, I focused on optimizing my strategies and scaling my efforts. I closely monitored my analytics, experimented with different promotional techniques, and fine-tuned my campaigns based on the data. This allowed me to continually improve my conversions and maximize my earnings. Today, I stand here as a proud 60-year-old entrepreneur, having achieved remarkable success in my affiliate marketing online business. Not only have I created a sustainable income stream, but I have also experienced the freedom and flexibility that comes with being your own boss. It's truly a rewarding business that has surpassed my expectations. In conclusion, my journey as an affiliate marketer starting at 54 years old has been nothing short of remarkable. It's a testament to the power of determination, resilience, and the belief that age should never limit our aspiration. Today I stand before you proud of what I have accomplished and eager to help others achieve their own version of success. So if you're ready to take the leap and embark on your affiliate marketing journey, I invite you to reach out to me. Together, we can navigate the challenge, develop effective strategies, and build a thriving online business that brings you both financial freedom and personal fulfillment. Remember, it's never too late to pursue your dreams and create a life you love. I'm here to support you every step of the way. Let's rewrite the narrative and show the world that age is just a number when it comes to achieving greatness in affiliate marketing. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to connecting with each and every one of you. Together, let's make our dreams a reality. I will see you in the next video.